Today, we will learn about what forensic biology is, history of forensic biology, and types of biological evidence found at the scene of a crime. Imagine a crime scene. There are no eyewitnesses, no confession, and very few clues. Yet investigators are able to identify the criminal, reconstruct the events, and present evidence in court. How? The answer often lies in tiny biological traces left behind: blood, saliva, hair, skin cells, semen, bones, or even a single strand of DNA. The scientific examination of these biological materials is known as forensic biology. In this video, we'll explore what forensic biology is, its importance, the types of biological evidence used by forensic biologists, and how this fascinating field helps solve crimes. Forensic biology is a branch of forensic science that deals with the identification, collection, preservation, examination, and interpretation of biological evidence related to legal investigations. The word forensic means the application of science to matters of law. Forensic biologists use principles of biology, genetics, biochemistry, and molecular biology to analyze biological materials found at crime scenes. Their goal is to answer important questions such as: who was present at the crime scene? Did a physical struggle occur? Is the biological material human or animal? Can a suspect be linked to the victim? Can an unknown victim be identified? The evidence analyzed by forensic biologists often becomes crucial in criminal investigations and court proceedings. History of forensic biology. The roots of forensic biology can be traced back to the late 19th century when scientists first developed methods to identify bloodstains. A major breakthrough came in 1901 when Carl Landsteiner discovered human blood groups. This allowed investigators to distinguish between different blood types. Another revolutionary advancement occurred in 1984 when Alec Jeffreys developed DNA fingerprinting. DNA profiling transformed criminal investigations by enabling scientists to identify individuals with extraordinary accuracy. Today, DNA analysis is considered one of the most powerful tools in forensic science. Types of biological evidence. First is blood. Blood is one of the most common forms of biological evidence. It can help investigators determine whether blood is human or animal, identify blood groups, obtain DNA profiles, reconstruct crime scene events through bloodstain pattern analysis. Even tiny blood stains invisible to the naked eye can provide valuable information. Second is semen. Semen evidence is particularly important in sexual assault investigations. Forensic experts analyze semen stains to confirm the presence of seminal fluid, identify sperm cells, extract DNA profiles, link suspects to victims. Third is saliva. Saliva may be found on cigarette butts, drinking glasses, envelopes, bite marks, food items. Saliva contains epithelial cells rich in DNA, making it useful for identification. Fourth is hair. Hair evidence can provide information about and species origin, and body area of origin, color and characteristics, and chemical treatments. Hair roots may contain DNA that can be compared with suspects or victims. Fifth, skin cells. Humans constantly shed skin cells. These cells can be transferred through contact with objects such as weapons, door handles, clothing, mobile phones. This type of evidence is often called touch DNA. 6. Bones and teeth. In cases involving decomposed or skeletal remains, bones and teeth become valuable sources of evidence. They can help determine identity, age, sex, ancestry, cause of death. DNA can often be recovered even from old skeletal remains. 7. Tissues and organ. What are tissues? Tissues are groups of cells that perform specific functions in the body. In many criminal investigations, tissues and organs provide valuable clues about how a person died and what happened before death. Forensic biologists and pathologists carefully examine samples collected during autopsies to uncover evidence that may not be visible externally. Soft tissues collected during autopsies can provide important information about injuries, diseases, and causes of death.